Let me dig this one out. Awesome. Okay, here we go. Look.
If you find a worm, let me have it. That's kind of plan.
Yep, dig it all out. Oh, don't throw it so far. Just put it right here so we can put it back in the hole.
Okay. Hi! That's Grandma. Wait. Grandma, I didn't know Grandma had a boyfriend.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, let's get more out. My hand is getting deep.
Yeah.
It's getting deeper.
Hey, Dookie. What are you doing?
If I
Go lay
find a
down.
worm in here.
Go lay down.
Daddy, if I find a worm, I'm gonna.
Okay. Okay, let me get some chicken poop.
Ew!
Chicken poop to put in the hole.
I'm not digging that. You dig it.
I'm not digging it, I'm filling it up.
Oh.
No, hold on, that's enough. Okay, so get some of the bag stuff.
Okay.
Put a little bit in there, not much. That's good, okay, that's good. Stir it around a little bit.
Okay.
Put some more dirt in there. Okay, go to tomato. That's what we're planting.
Okay, I'll go get one.
Dude, what?
Where's the
They're in the
tomato?
black box over there.
Okay.
Careful, don't step on any of them.
Is this the tomato?
Nope, this one. Okay,
Let's go
don't step on any of them.
this way to this area. Cause how about we put some more?
Hold on, we'll do it in a minute. We'll put some on top. What kind of tomato is it?
I don't know.
Look at the sticker. Right here.
It's
Duke,
orange.
go lay down. Go.
It looks like. Okay. I'm gonna put it in. Can you give it to me?
Okay, hold on. We gotta take the soil off the bottom so you can see the roots. Look, here's the roots. You see all the white ones?
Ooh, yuck.
That's what goes down into the soil and drinks water.
It wouldn't sound like that. It sounded like little bits of water.
And then
Oh,
goes off all-
what are those?
It's styrofoam. Oh, there's little ants too.
Ants?
You
Ew.
gotta pull off these little ones. They're called suckers.
Suckers? Can I try?
This one, pull it off. Oh, okay, sure.
I'm
Throw
gonna
it in
try. Okay.
There's no more, bub. They're all gone.
And then that's when you can do it.
Okay. So look, now we put it in the
We're
hole.
gonna do cucumbers next. And
Put
I'm
it in.
getting to do cucumbers.
Put
Yeah.
it in the hole.
Daddy, I'm getting to do cucumbers.
Yeah.
I'm already
cover
digging up a
with the
spot.
dirt.
I'm already digging up a spot.
Bunch of dirt.
Okay, all
Try
of
to keep
it?
the rocks separated.
Okay.
We don't want no big rocks in there.
Yeah, we can only have little rocks.
Little rocks.
Little ones. But not that little big rocks. Oh, that's a big one.
Are tomatoes your favorite?
Yes.
What's
And
your-
cucumbers.
And cucumbers too?
Yeah. Cucumbers are always my favorite.
Yeah, they're so good. With some salt and pepper on them?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That makes them so good. Great. Only a little bit more.
Just put a little bit on top. Oh, yeah, that's good. Good job. Okay. How big are you? How old are you?
3.
3 years old. How many fingers is that? How many is 3? Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I don't like this one.
You don't like dirt all over your hands?
No, I'm gonna wash them off.
Oh, okay. You gotta go inside to wash them off.
Yeah.
Unless you go over to the hose, but I don't know if the hose is hooked up right now.
You don't like dirt all over your hands, Penelope Dude it.
You got smack him. Good job, Sissy. High five. Oh, you missed. Oh, because you didn't want to hit my hand.
Next one.